Hi, this is Dan. We're doing a demonstration today for ExpertVillage.com. Now we're going to start talking about cutting your wall in, cutting your baseboards in, and your ceiling lines. I use a Purdy brush, 2.5 inch. Any brush is acceptable depending upon your skill level. The qualities of a good brush are going to be how the bristles stay formed. Now I leave mine in the sleeves just so that brush maintains its form. This brush is over a year old and has at least another year left in it. When you're looking at a brush, you want to take and put it up against the wall and see how that brush fans out, because that fan is going to determine how good your cut line is going to be. This brush here is actually meant for more of a textured type situation. I use this to cut in my ceilings and anywhere where there's a textured wall. The reason for that is because it's got a stiffer bristle. My other brush has got a little softer of bristles, which allows me to guide my paint a lot closer to where I want it. The bristles stay together a little more, and I can control that line a lot easier with this brush. So we're going to start by cutting in some trim work. This is our casing on it, rounded door. As you can see, we've already got the paint on the walls, and so now we're just needing to go ahead and get the casing painted. So normally I will start on the casing by painting the side of it. This way, any paint that goes along the front, I'm going to go back over that and smooth that out in just a moment. Once you've got paint on the side, you want to just kind of let your brush glide down the trim. And then you want to feather it once you've got it covered. What feathering is just going back over it lightly to take out your brush strokes. That gives you a smoother finish. And it looks more as if it was sprayed rather than brushed.